started the hormone therapy in July of 2007.
2007.
Two years ago.
That's
yes.
2 years ago.
Two years ago. So while I was doing the hormone therapy, I was also trying to do the diet with the Budvik, flaxseed oil and the rest of it.
Yeah.
So naturally, what I was doing on the hormone therapy was what they call intermittent hormone therapy, using 3 different kinds of drugs, Zoladex, Caodex and Avodart together. A very strong sort of hormones.
3 at a shot?
Well, the Zoladex is an injection, of course, as
Yes.
you know,
Yes.
and the Caodex 150 milligrams a day, which is quite a strong dose. Many doctors only prescribe 50 milligrams a day, and Avodart as well, which they give to older men to reduce the size of the prostate.
Yeah.
So those 3 drugs. So I had that for 1 year, and the doctor who recommended this is a doctor called in Singapore, and he was an associate of another doctor which you can find on the web called Dr. Bob Leibowitz in America. And Dr. Leibowitz and Tucker did a study of this, of 185 men, and they published the result in a journal, in a medical journal, and of the 185 men, in 8 years only 1 died of prostate cancer. And I thought at the time this was a better way of doing it than either surgery or radiation, because the survival using those was not so good as this intermittent hormone therapy. So basically I did the intermittent hormone therapy for 1 year, where my PSA dropped from 19.6 to a low point of 0.01. So that's how I was on. When I went to Singapore to talk about the hormone, I didn't realise then how much the hormones cost. The hormones are also very, very expensive, which I didn't realise.
Is that so?
The Zoladex injection now in Bangkok, from the same hospital I go to, costs 39,000 baht, which for 1 3-monthly injection, 39,000 baht is about something like $1,200 for 3 months. But that's only the Zoladex. So there's $1,200 times 4 for the year. So that's 4,800. Plus the Caodex. The Caodex is very expensive. The Caodex cost 800 baht for 1 tablet a day, and I have to take. Oh no, I think I only have to take 1. I think so. It's 1 tablet, 800 baht. That's about $25 a day, something like that, for the Caodex.
US $25.
US $25 per day.
Per day.
Per day for the Caodex. Now what happened there with me, I said to the doctor in Singapore, well, I checked the internet, I can find some generic Caodex from India. Have you any objection if I use that? He said no objection. So I for that year, for most of the time, I got the generic Caodex, which is a lot cheaper, from an online Indian pharmacy, and that seemed to work. The drug seemed to work. Okay.
What about another drug that you were using?
The other drug was called Avodart. Avodart, also the real Avodart was, I forget how much it cost now, but again I found the generic from the same Indian pharmacy, and I took that as well, the generic Avodart. So all told, the cost over a year would be quite substantial. Plus, of course, the doctor is an American doctor. Consultations aren't cheap, etc. Plus, he wanted me to travel to Singapore every 3 months.